In the previous episode, we discussed about Old Testament manuscripts and ancient translations. In this, we will be discussing about New Testament manuscripts and translations. The whole New Testament is written between AD 50 and AD 100. Even though all the manuscripts were not retrieved, the manuscripts that are written in 3rd and 4th century, which are accepted as ancient, are Vatican Codex, Sinai Codex, Alexandrian Codex, Bezae Codex, Washington Manuscripts, Claremontes Codex, and so on. So from this episode, we'll get the knowledge about the original text of New Testament, also help us to understand the background of the scriptures that we have till now. Vatican Codex was written in middle of 4th century and have Old Testament completely and the New Testament too. This is kept in Vatican Library at Alexandria. That's why it is called as Vatican Codex. This has 759 pages of 10-inch high and 10-inch wide. This is considered as the most ancient manuscripts of New Testament ever found. Sinai Codex was retrieved from St. Catherine Monastery at Sinai Peninsula in 1884 by a German Bible scholar named Dr. Tischendorf. This was a copy of the Bible written in Greek by around AD 330. He found these invaluable treasures from a heap of waste that were kept for fire. In 1933, the British Museum bought this for a whopping price of £5 lakh, and it is kept in the British Museum right now. You can go there and see it. Alexandrian Codex was written in Greek in AD 450 at Egypt. Some part of the Genesis, 1st Samuel and Psalms were missing in this, but it contained the rest of Old Testament as well as New Testament. As this was kept for a long time in Alexandria, this is known as Alexandrian Codex. Bezae Codex. Theodore Bezae, a French Bible scholar and a disciple of John Calvin, found this manuscript in St. Irenaeus Monastery in 1562. In this codex, New Testament was written in both Greek and Latin language. Now this manuscript is under safe custody at Cambridge University. Washington Manuscripts. Charles A. Ferrier bought this manuscript from a merchant of Cairo in 1906. This contained the 4 Gospels and few epistles with 187 pages. It is believed that these were written by the end of 4th century or by the beginning of the 5th century. And this is kept safe at Ferrier's book collection, which is in Washington, though the Washington manuscript name came into existence. Claremontes Codex. This is a codex from AD 5 and contains the letter of Paul only. This is a bilingual leather-papered book with 533 pages. The Bible is written in Latin on the right side and in Greek on the left side. The real source of this manuscript is still unknown. This is found in between 1565 and 1582. The name Claremontes Codex is given as this was found from a monastery at Clermont and Bavasius. With ages, God opened new ways for easy availability of Bible to everyone. In the last 20 centuries, the Holy Bible is the only book which is translated to many languages and is distributed. By the survey report published by United Bible Society in 2007, Bible is translated into 438 languages. Either Old Testament or New Testament is translated into 1,618 languages. Experts of the Bible are available in 848 languages. Bible is available either partially or fully in 2,454 languages all over the world. The Word of God is invaluable and precious. It is a great blessing to avail time to learn the Bible. The Word of God gives wisdom and knowledge to us. Therefore, learn the Word of God with awe and respect.